This is the first confirmed storm ever in this channel.
Chance of rain 90%. Tonight, cloudy. Showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then a chance of showers after midnight. Freezing with lows in the mid-40s. North winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers, mainly in the morning. Freezing with highs in the lower 50s. North winds 20 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the mid-40s. North winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Gusts up to 35 miles per hour in the evening. Wednesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy. Lows in the upper 40s.
Fog is getting closer and closer.
Short-term marine forecast within 5 nautical miles from shore. Small craft advisory in effect through late Tuesday night.
More rain in the windows. Oh, being quiet.
Showers late this morning. Then showers with a chance of thunderstorms this afternoon.
This is
Waves
his
1 to
daughter,
3 feet.
Tiffany. You can speak with her.
Tonight, north winds 15 to 25 knots.
Yes, I can.
A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then a chance of showers overnight. Waves 1 to 3 feet, building to 3 to 6 feet. Waves occasionally around 7 feet. Winds and waves higher in and near thunderstorms.
Look at those clouds. Jeez.
Airport, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 62 degrees, the dew point 55, and the relative humidity was 77%. The winds were south at 10 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.66 inches and falling. Elsewhere across Ohio, rain was falling with a temperature of 51 at Toledo Metcalf, 50 at Toledo Express, 62 at Youngstown, and 58 at Dayton. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 64 at Lorain and 63 at Akron Canton Airport. It was cloudy with a temperature of 64 at Mansfield, 60 at Cincinnati, 58 at St. Lee, and 63 at Columbus. Reports from nearby cities outside Ohio.
Will it be a storm, BT?
Temperature of 65 at Pittsburgh, 50 at Detroit, 64 at
You prefer yes, aren't ya? Clouds are darker. Wind's picking up.
On the latest weather map, a warm front will slow across the area this morning as low pressure over central Illinois moves east along this boundary, moving across the forecast area tonight. A residual trough will remain over the area through Tuesday before high pressure builds from the north and pushes this feature out by Wednesday. The forecast for the central lakeshore counties. Today, showers likely this morning, then showers with a chance of thunderstorms this afternoon. Highs in the lower 60s. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour, diminishing to 5 to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour this afternoon. Chance of rain 90%. Tonight, cloudy.
4 minutes.
Showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the
Alright,
evening, then a
video
chance of
over.
showers